Welcome back. Get ready for 46 exciting questions. Let's begin the quiz. What is the first capital of India? Kolkata was the capital of British India before Delhi. Which state is famous for the hill station Gulmarg? The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Which state is famous for the Chilika Lake? The correct answer is Odisha. Which state is famous for the city of Panji? Panji is the capital city of Goa. Which Indian state is famous for the Khajuraho temples? The Khajuraho temples are famous for their beautiful ancient sculptures. Which Indian state is known as the abode of clouds? The correct answer is Meghalaya. Which state is famous for tea gardens? Assam produces some of the best tea in the world. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Chennai is a major city in South India. Which state is famous for Kathakali dance? The correct answer is Kerala. Which is the largest state of India by area? Rajasthan is the largest state in India by area. Which is the smallest state of India by area? Goa is the smallest state of India by area. Which state is famous for the Golden Temple? The Golden Temple is located in Amritsar, Punjab. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Lucknow is known for its rich culture and history. Which state is famous for sambar and idli? Sambar and idli are very popular South Indian dishes. Which state is famous for the Sundarbans? The Sundarbans is the largest mangrove forest in the world. The world-famous Taj Mahal is located in which Indian state? The Taj Mahal is in Agra and is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Which Indian state is known as the Land of 5 Rivers? Punjab is called the Land of 5 Rivers because 5 rivers flow through it. In which state will you find the beautiful Dal Lake? The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Which state is home to the famous Meenakshi temple? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Kerala produces many spices like pepper and cardamom. Which state is famous for the Hornbill Festival? The Hornbill Festival celebrates the culture of Nagaland. Which state is known as the Land of Rising Sun in India? Arunachal Pradesh is the first Indian state to see the sunrise. Which state is famous for the Sun Temple at Konark? The Konark Sun Temple is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Which state is known for the Valley of Flowers National Park? The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Which state is famous for the Gir National Park? The correct answer is Gujarat. Which state is famous for the Charminar Monument? Charminar is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. Which state celebrates the festival of Onam? Onam is the biggest festival of Kerala. Which state is known as the Sugar Ball of India? Uttar Pradesh produces a large amount of sugarcane. Which state is famous for the Kaziranga National Park? Kaziranga is famous for the one-horned rhinoceros. Which state is famous for the Ajanta and Ellora caves? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Which state is home to the famous Sanchi Stupa? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which state is known as the Apple State of India? Himachal Pradesh is famous for its apple orchards. Which state is famous for the Run of Kutch? The Run of Kutch is known for its white salt desert. Which state is known as the Land of Black Soil? Black soil in Maharashtra is very good for cotton farming. Which state is famous for the Hampi ruins? Hampi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Karnataka. Which Indian state shares the longest international border? West Bengal shares a long border with Bangladesh. Which state is known as the Land of Red River and Blue Hills? Mizoram is known for its scenic hills and rivers. Which state is home to the famous Jag Falls? Jag Falls is one of the highest waterfalls in India. Which state is known as the Gateway of Northeast India? Assam connects the rest of India to the northeast states. Which state is famous for the Statue of Unity? 。 . 。 . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world. Which state is known as God's own country? Kerala is called God's own country because of its natural beauty. Which state is home to the famous Kedarnath temple? Kedarnath is one of the most important Hindu pilgrimage sites. Which Indian state has the largest bamboo production? Assam produces a large amount of bamboo in India. Which state is famous for the hill station Shimla? Shimla was once the summer capital of British India. In which state is the famous hill station Darjeeling located? Darjeeling is famous worldwide for its tea gardens. Which state is famous for the hill station Ooty? Ooty is a very popular hill station in the Nilgiri Hills. Thanks for playing this quiz. Comment your score below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quizzes.